Ever noticed your hair falling out way more than usual? Or maybe it just doesn't seem to be growing back like it used to? Trust me, I've been there. And today I want to show you a homemade shampoo recipe that helped me turn things around. Naturally. Alright, let's get straight into it. Here's what you'll need. 1 chopped onion, 3 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 grated avocado seed, a vitamin E capsule, 2 branches of fresh rosemary, half a cup of your regular shampoo, and 3 cups of water. Sounds a bit like a magic potion, right? But each of these ingredients packs a serious punch when it comes to hair health. Grab a pot and pour in your 3 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, add chopped onion, add bay leaves, add cinnamon sticks, add flax seeds, add grated avocado seed, add fresh rosemary. Let it simmer over medium heat for about 15 minutes. You want all those natural oils and nutrients to infuse into the water. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Don't add shampoo or vitamin E while it's hot. Once cool, strain the liquid to remove solids, add half a cup of regular shampoo, squeeze in the vitamin E capsule, mix until smooth and even, pour into an airtight container, pop it in the fridge to keep it fresh. So, how do you use it? Wash hair with this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week. Massage gently into your scalp to boost circulation. Give those follicles some encouragement to grow. Let the shampoo sit for a couple of minutes before rinsing. Natural remedies take time. Don't expect overnight miracles. Stick with it and you'll notice hair looking stronger, happier and healthier, falling out a lot less. Give it a try and tell me in the comments how it worked. Hit that like button and subscribe for more easy solutions.